What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Just got me a new lens on my camera. I got a 16mm Sigma lens. So yeah, I decided to get a little bit of more of a wider angle lens for my videos now. But anyway, enough of that. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it. It'll help me grow my channel, get more people in here, and to help grow the human made community as we go along with these videos. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram at mattxi.exe. It really means mac11.execute, so that's what my name means. So yeah, another video. Got some dope shit for you. Finally got something that I really needed that I've been trying to buy for a while. Yeah, it came in, what today is? Today is Tuesday, so it came in Friday of last week. So I finally got a chance to sit down and open it because I got off work a little bit early, and it's just something that I really need, and I have to get more of from Human Made. But the price that I've been seeing on it, like the resale, just been ridiculously high. But I know I'm talking a lot. Let me just get to the unboxing, show you all what I got. So let's get right to the video. All right, we're gonna start with the little box. We got this box right here. See that right there? We're gonna start with the little one first. Straight from Tokyo. That's how I do. It ain't no branding on this, no Human Made branding. So I guess they have boxes big enough to put this in. Yeah, I lost my knife. I don't know where my damn knife at. 1 minute I find it, 1 minute it's gone. But I'm using this Phillips head screwdriver. Well, flathead. There it is. Took me forever. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Ooh, that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. Look at this. That little seal right here is dope as hell. Got the polar bear on it. That's pretty dope. All right. Yeah, let me show y'all what's inside of here. I don't want to keep y'all too long, you know. Finally. Boy, that's it. Just this little tray. I'm done. I appreciate y'all for watching. Catch y'all in this kid. But anyway, yeah, that's what I got. It's a foldable crate. I've been trying to get my hands on one of these for the longest. Let me pop it out for y'all. Oh damn. It's like a whole down Lego piece. Hold up right there. God damn. Oh, let me open the top, that'll help. Damn. How the hell you open this shit? Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, nope. There it is. There we go. Alright, so now everything locked in place. So this is what I got. I got I forgot what size this was. Let me see. Nope. There we go. Alright. So I got the 20 liter. Yeah, this is a 20 liter crate that I got. I paid about this was like $60. And the reason why I bought these, well, this one, is because I got a lot of stuff in my room that y'all cannot see that needs to be put up and stored, and I just get tired of seeing it. So yeah, I bought this crate to help alleviate that issue. So I have like straggling cords just laying around, documents just laying around in my room. So I'm gonna use this to put my stuff in and put it away. And plus, it looks good anyway. Also, it has the ducks on it at the top. I have B-roll, so y'all be sending it to the B-roll. So yeah, they got ducks on the top, which is my favorite little animal that they have going on with their brand. And it says Human Made dry alls on it. And on top of the lid, it says Gears for Futuristic Teenagers. And on the side, it says, of course, Human Made. And I got this. It only came in one color, which was the olive, like army green. There was a cop that I had to get because all the ones that I've been seeing for resale, the price was just too stupid. I mean, just too stupid for these. So I was like, I'm not gonna buy that because it's too damn high. So I just catch it when it dropped. And surprisingly, it dropped. And I got one. And I'm happy that I actually finally got one. So that's what I got is the green one.
Oh God.
Bruh.
I'm sorry I'm late. Can I still pop in?
You wanna come in?
Can I pop in?
Yeah, hold on. Alright, so look who just showed up.
Action.
Alright, so, damn, this shit heavy, boy. Come on. See that? See, I just lost my knife. Well, I lost my knife. Now I just lost a damn screwdriver that I opened the damn box with. It's your fault, JD. I had all this stuff laid out.
Sorry.
I just had. There it is. There. Right. Oh, see that? All right, so I got this box from Human Made. It's another brown box. This one has more of a clear tape instead of the black tape of last time. So in the late, I just can't.
I'm about to say.
You really think I'm
you don't go details like that?
You go details about a box. I'm like, bro, that's a good unboxing video. You just talked about a box.
Tape.
I want a box now. I'm gonna go order just anything and just talk about the box. Yeah.
Wait, this is from Human Made, you said?
Yep.
That's weird because their boxes always patterned.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I'm like, they didn't have big enough boxes, so they just went the cheapo route and just got some regular old brown ones.
What is this?
Yeah, they're right. Oh, you see that? You see that little seal?
Oh, I see it.
It's
That's hard. That's detailed.
Yeah, I know that. That's why I got it.
You should save it. Save it. Save it.
Oh, it's a duck over here.
Yeah, save
Look
it.
at it. It. Got damn. I don't know. You gotta see that with a little duck.
It says quack on the bottom.
I know it don't.
All right.
Anyway. Yeah. Oh, that's dope. I didn't notice the bubbles. Look at it. That's fire.
Oh, that's hard. That's hard.
If y'all can see it,
The bubbles.
the bubbles are hearts. That's what I'm talking about. That's why I fuck with
That's
you,
quality, yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
They
man.
different. That's different.
Brandon go a long way. That shit huge.
That's
right?
something I didn't think about that. Go that far in the packaging.
All right, second crate. This a 50, the 50-liter crate. This was about what 80, I think.
It's upside down when you do it that way.
Oh, it ain't.
There it is.
Hey, and it came right out. And
That's what she said. Don't you dare.
Ooh.
hold on.
So, what's going in the boxes?
See that stuff down there?
Yeah.
And stuff that I resell. So I can just have it stored away.
Ooh, that'll be dope. Mystery box with this.
Ooh. Ain't getting it. Alright, anyway. So I got the orange version. This is the biggest one they came out with, and that's what she said. And this one has the polar bear at the top, not the duck, because the green got the ducks on it. And it basically had like the same graphics, of course. Human Made at the top. Y'all see the B-roll. And Gears featured the rich teenager. Freaking Human Made hearts on the side. That's 3M. I think it is. It's a 3M.
What's 3M?
It like when it shines, when the light hit it, like reflector,
Oh, yeah,
like on a
yeah.
bike, whatever. But yeah, so I got the the 50 milliliter. I liking this the new lens though. I ain't say get in. Get out the way. Get more in my room too. I ain't never seen my film. Anyway, so yeah, I had to get this one too. I should have got 2 of these instead of the green one, cause I would have been able to get more stuff stored away. Cause my room is just like a tornado hit this with a tsunami, with an earthquake. Get your hand out of there. It is. So yeah, this is the other crate that I got. I think about $85, $90 I paid, and well worth the money because I'm finna start storing a whole bunch of ish,
Underwear.
all that.
For real? Oh, yeah.
Probably, to be
Yeah.
honest. But yeah, I don't know if this is gonna be a short video, but yeah, these are the crates that I got. Finally got them because these things resell for like 200 to 500 just for these crates. So
Jeez.
yeah, it may be a short one, probably lackluster, but it is what it is. But I will promise y'all next video. Tell them. I will promise them
He gonna promise y'all.
that I got some heat on the way.
That-
My battery about to die. So stay tuned for next week video. I'm not gonna let y'all down. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. If not, JD's a hoe. Just kidding, you my homie. I love you. Anyway, catch y'all next video. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Follow me on IG. Follow JD on IG as Devontae5000.
Right there.
And my battery down. I got her to make this quick. All right,
Bye-bye.
catch y'all. Peace. We out.
How you cut this thing?
Okay.
I'm trying to figure out. Oh, it's no zoom in?
Ain't no zoom.
That's hard. I like
Just
that.
hit the record button to stop it.
Before I go dead.